How y'all doing, y'all? So I am on my way to the airport. I'm on my way to Philadelphia Airport. And the first flight I'm about to get on is Qatar Airlines. And our first stop is Doha. But it's really raining really hard in Philadelphia, as you can see. Look at the rain. I'm in the car. You can't even see out the windows. It's so blurry. Look at that. It's crazy. So right now it is a thunderstorm in Philadelphia. But we gotta make it in the airport in 1 hour. Well, not even 1 hour, in about half an hour we gotta make it to the airport. And it's crazy out here. On my way to Doha. First stop is Doha, next stop is Rwanda. We just got to the airport right now. So now I'm about to go inside the airport. We at the Qatar Airways. See that? Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways. On my way to the Middle East. Yeah, I see him. On my way to the Middle East. So I'm about to go in the airport right now, y'all. I'm about to go check my bags in and I see y'all in a bit. Yo! Right now, I'm in the airport. We're about to board the airplane. We're in Qatar. We're about to board the Qatar Airlines. I mean, we just checked in. We just got through all the TSA. We just got through TSA. So we're about to get some grub, about to get some food. And I'm on my way to Doha. You know what I mean? On my way to Doha. First stop Doha. Next stop is Rwanda. We're in the Philadelphia Airport right now. But I don't want all my memory to, I don't want to use all my memory on the memory card, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Doha, alright? I might see y'all on the plane. Peace. We're on the plane right now. I'm vlogging. On my way to Doha. It's gonna be lit. We're on it right now. We're on the airplane. It's gonna take us 13 hours to get here. And I heard it's 110 degrees in Doha. So, it's gonna be interesting. Never been on a plane like this before. But I'm ready, excited, dope. How you doing?
Hello.
How you doing? Thank you.
48 please.
Straight down. I'm vlogging right now, y'all. Oh, nice. Say hello.
Hi.
Hey. Hey, we out. Hey. Maybe we on here. Airplane, nice. Show you something. Oh wow. Airplane is nice. I'm vlogging. You want to say something? Hello. Walking on board. I think I'm business class. Saying no, I'm not business class. On the airplane. I think I'm all the way in the back. Yeah, I'm on here. Airplane, really nice. I'm all the way in the back of the plane. I wish I was business class or first class. But I'm all the way on the back. Thank you.
How are you?
How you doing? Alright, this plane look like snakes on a plane. It's gonna be a long flight, but I cannot wait. Yeah, vlogging. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is my seat. Oh, in the back. Alright, so I'm on a plane right now. We're about to take off. About to be on our way to Doha. This plane is really, really nice. Really love this plane. Involved in this plane. It's a 13-hour flight. First long flight. Never had a long flight like this ever before. The longest flight I ever had was 4 hours. And that was from JFK to Kingston, Jamaica. But yeah, I'm about to get some rest. About to put a movie on and kick it back. And I'll see y'all in 13 hours at Doha. Stay tuned. Yeah, these some Cheez-Its. This plane is really, really lit. Really love this plane. They give everyone a pair of these headphones. You listen to movies and everything. Everybody get them headphones. Just bored. Cheez-Its. There's Wi-Fi on here, so we really, really lit. We got the rolling. Oops. ওখানে থাকা ভালো কারণ ওখানে মোটামুটি আমার হচ্ছে 2 বেডরুম আমারই ভাড়া হচ্ছে 1600 টাকা So we're getting ready to take off. We're about to take off any minute now. We had a long delay. We was in a delay for about 45 minutes. And now we're about to take off. Yup, we're about to take off. The airplane looks so nice right now. Yeah, so our arrival time is 12 hours, and they said it's a little turbulence. The first hour of the ride will be a little turbulence, so it's gonna be an interesting ride. we just landed safely in Doha. It's real beautiful out here. Desert. Successful. We just landed successfully. Now I'm about to make my way out the plane. And I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm gonna show y'all the airport of Doha. Peace. We in Doha. Just landed. We gotta go to check out the plane. Out here. It's pretty hot out here. What's up, bro? We in Doha with it, you know what I mean? Put us on this bus. Now we're on a bus. We're about to go to the airport. I go to main port. Go to vlog. This John. What's up, bro? Yeah, we in Qatar. Left the hotel on a bus. Camera look nice. Vlogging the whole trip. This hotel.
Let's head inside.
It's the hotel we at. Yeah, this hotel. This hotel. Just got to our hotel in Doha. Lit. Security check. This joint's lit. This is a nice hotel, 5-star.
We out here.
We out here, you know what I mean?
We really out here.
We really out here. We really in Doha. Hope they don't take my camera away, but I guess what we doing.
You probably need your passport.